Nice. There's a kitty eating with the kibble. Look at this. Look at this. You got to be a little doggy. Yeah, calm down. That is one cool little cat, dude. I'm telling you, Ninja has got it figured out. He's just like Mr. Confidence. Look at that. He's invincible. He's fearless. That's how you do it, dude. You just gotta be fearless and you're fucking invincible. Shit, dude. Wow. You guys are crazy. Like, these are dogs. These are hungry dogs. They could eat this cat. You know, there's a dog that ate a cat down at Uncle Robert's, but you guys are good dogs. You guys are good dogs. And you're friends with cats. That's cool. Right, that dog Calipana. Straight up. Chased a cat, caught it, ate it. So it's like, you know, nature is real. When a cat runs, they are prey. But this cat just stands his ground. And he's cool. Straight up, dude. You just show fear, nature pounces on you. So, look at this little man. Little Ninja, or is she a girl? I can't remember. I'll have to check her ID card. Well, alright. It hasn't mattered to me. I don't really care. You're just a kitty. You're just a kitty. You're a ninja. You can be a ninja with a girl name or a boy name. I don't care. You are super cool. Let's take a look here. Let's see.